You're not broke, you're being farmed. Sounds dramatic, but hear me out. Every part of the financial system, from your paycheck to your taxes to the price of milk, is designed to keep you producing just enough to survive, but not enough to break free. Let's start with your paycheck. The average Canadian or American spends over half their waking life working, yet savings rates have collapsed. Why? Because wages haven't kept pace with productivity for decades. You're creating more value than ever, but almost none of that gain reaches you. It flows upward, to shareholders, to executives, to corporate buybacks. The system isn't broken, it's efficient. Efficient at extracting your time and energy while convincing you it's normal. Now taxes. People love to argue about who should pay more or less, but that's a distraction. The real story is how the system funnels your tax dollars. Middle-class income is taxed automatically and aggressively, while the wealthiest move profits through trusts, shell companies, and capital gains loopholes that are perfectly legal. Your taxes fund the infrastructure that keeps big money safe, stable banks, protected markets, and bailout systems that never exist for you. Then comes inflation, the silent tax. Every year, the dollar buys less, and you're told it's just the economy. But inflation benefits debtors. And who holds the biggest debt? Governments and corporations. When prices rise, the real value of what they owe shrinks. Meanwhile, your grocery bill climbs, your rent spikes, and your savings melt. Inflation transfers wealth from savers to asset owners, from workers to institutions. And here's where it all connects. You work to earn dollars that lose value, to pay taxes that stabilize the system, to buy goods whose prices are controlled by corporations that profit from your dependence. You are the crop, your labor, your data, your attention, and the system harvests you continuously. But here's the part they don't want you to realize. Opting out isn't about escaping society. It's about reducing how much of your life you hand over for free. That means building real assets, skills that can't be inflated away, side income that isn't capped by one employer, investments that grow while you sleep, and knowledge of how money actually works. When you understand that money is a tool of control, not just survival, you stop playing defense, you start playing offense. So next time you feel broke, remember, the system isn't failing you by accident. It's succeeding, exactly as designed. The question is whether you keep feeding it, or start feeding yourself. If this opened your eyes, subscribe and share this video. Because the first step to escaping financial farming is realizing you were in the field the whole time.